We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness, find a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment about to be contracted with these couples? At ako montra ato yung wedding Apo?
No, sir.
Bilang tao pag may sumasagot eh. Very good, let's continue. Sige, tayo na kayong dalawa. Harap kayo sa isa't isa. Huwag mo yung kamay niya. Actually, kung naka-vaccine ka, pwede niya tanggalin yung mask para maganda sa video. Or gusto niyo naka-mask lang. Naka-vaccine kayo na. Ang problema naman eh. Okay, no problem. At least maganda sa pictures, no? Iringat mo kami. Anyway, Rochelle, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, sir.
Very good. George Lee, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you take upon yourself the duties of the marriage upon which you are voluntarily giving? Yes. Okay. George Lee, will you have Rochelle to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Rochelle, will you have George Lee to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Sige yung singsing. Labas mo na yung singsing. Yung isa't isa. So, naka-George, follow after me. Pwede mo na yung kamay niya. Follow after me. Ang sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Sige, suot mo na yung singsing. Rochelle, ganun din. Sunod sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. Okay. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Suot mo na yung singsing. Sige, kayong dalawa, harap tayo dito sa parents niyo muna. Ano naman payo po natin sa ka-wish kay mga bagong kakasal? Ma'am, payo natin.
I-wish ko kada ito yung anak ni kat sapay kumata magkaroon dati. Naragsak na sa lunat ken managbuting iti Diyos kapin ti sa tibangunan da nga pamilya ket nabaligid.
Yeah. Thank you na pa.
Lagi kami ipakita yung anak ko pagka kumata anda ko matangaling apa-apa ang tulus na ito pangunan di pamilya.
Thank you. Ma'am. Wish you kayong payo. Nagigit kasal.
Pagdidikan na po nila yung mga dati na pinasok nila bilang magkasama at matiwasay silang magsama habang buhay. Susundin po ang kanilang sinumpa na sunod sa pintunan ng Article 34 ng Property Code of the Philippines. Salamat po.
Thank you. O, ito yung likod. Nagigit ninong ng visitors. Nanganamit kay payo yun. Nagigit kasal. Ninong. Sige, keep friends and family. Thank you na.
Katulog ko hindi na. Nalibungan ako katulog ako.
Tapos kami siya na inulaan.
Ay, o sige. O, magharap na kayong dalawa, George and Michelle. Namdiin mo naman eh. O, tama, Michelle, as the future wife of George Lee, anamik vows mo kanya na, promise mo kanya na. Basahin mo, sige, mas maganda, basahin mo na. Mas maganda pag binabasa. Yun. Hawakan mo yung kamay.
According to the will of God and my desire, I, Rachel P. Lucas, take you, George Lee Gonzalez, to be my husband, leaving my father and mother, I give to you. Through every year and every circumstances, I will remain constant in my commitment to you. I promise to be honest, faithful, and loving wife for the rest of my days. I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as my husband. Today I will say I do, but to me that means I will. I will take your hand and stay by your side in the good and in the bad. I also promise to seek a deep understanding about you and about us, not out of obligation but because I love you. You are the only man I allowed to enter my life, and you did not fail because until now we are still together. Sana at palagi kami pinagdadasal na maayos ka ngayon as boyfriend, sana mas maayos ka bilang asawa ko. My love, thank you for everything, mostly for being patient and for loving me as I am.
Thank you. George, ikaw din. Basahin mo na yung vows mo.
I, George P. Gonzalez, promising to love you and always be by your side. Through all the ups and downs, for richer and poorer, in sickness and in health. I vow to always be faithful and to cherish you for the rest of your life. I promise to share my dreams, my secrets, and my innermost feelings with you always and forever. I promise to be kind, patient, and forgiving husband. I will always strive to do my best for you and to be the person that you need me to be. I give you this ring as a sign of our love and commitment to each other. I promise to support you, care for you, and stand along for you all over our days.
Sige, hawakan mo na yung kamay niya. Follow after me, George, okay? I hereby take you, Rochelle,
I hereby take you, Rochelle,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for the worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my soul.
Michelle, follow after me also. I hereby take you, George Lee,
I hereby take you, George Lee,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay, by the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Dorek Corazon III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which I have contracted and now pronounce you as newly wedded husband and wife. Okay, you can now kiss the Sino taga? Nanay.
Congratulations.
Ito na po ka.
Ay, sorry.
Picture na. Okay, sige. Nagiging-inong ng ako, witness naman ang pirma natin sa ako. Ito, tag-5. Ay, tag-4.
Okay.
O yan. For practice.
So, di ka banda nakadestino tata? Wala.
Nagtipunan.
Ilang years ka na ba?
Ang report kami ng 1 month na parang bigyan.
Pwede masyado magpag-hands. Pero natiket ko if ever in the future.
Subli na po ng kawain namin.
Kawayan, kahit mo kawayan talaga.
Or mas asilig lang kawayan kasi may kawayan kasi hindi pa tigi papan power matanggihan.
Ay, nagiging kawayan. Takti na city kami. So, wala. Pero siya, suggestion mo, magkakalit ko po sa mga kapatid. Destino ka marami. Well, anyway, congratulations. Congratulations. Picture take na kayo. Hey, parents, tayo ba lang?
One, two, three. Ano po? That's one.
O, ninong-nina. Ninong-nina.
Edwin, basta.
Diba? One, two. Diba? One, two, three. Po.
Solo.
Solo.
Dua kayo.
Hello. Okay.
Dua. Dua.
One, two, three.
Pwede, paano ko doon?
Amin tayo. Amin tayo.
Amin na namin.
Amin na yun kayo.
Amin kayo. Yung amin na. Baby.
One, two, three. Ano po?
Sino pa kaya nagtutupin ko? Ay. Ay, sino na ako? Ito siya sa secretary. Sabay ka. Sama nila ka. Sino ba yun? Okay yun? Okay? Sama sila. Okay sila sama para makita talaga na.
Missing ka, George.
Kaya naka-live naman tayo. Hello, Senator. Bye cam sila ngayon, di ba? Sige. Sige.